Less than a month ago, crypto was in the midst of one of the worst market crashes it has ever experienced. Bitcoin and Ethereum were down more than 70% since the peak of last year's bull run. Several high-profile crypto companies, most notably Three Arrows Capital and crypto lender Celsius Network and Voyager Digital, have filed for bankruptcy.
I declare bankruptcy!
In the latest June CPI report, inflation has reached 9.1% from a year ago, which is the biggest increase since 1981. Grocery prices have jumped 12.2% compared with a year ago. New car prices have increased 11.4% from a year earlier, and airline fares has also gone up for 34%. The size of the industry itself had fallen below $1 trillion, which is a significant decrease from just a few months prior when it was worth more than $3 trillion. So, you may be expecting that the prices of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be dipping further, right? Wrong! In the past few days, Bitcoin has gone up for more than 10%, rising above $24,000 on Wednesday, hitting its highest level in more than a month. The price of Ethereum has also overperformed Bitcoin, gaining more than 20% in the past few days, and was trading above $1,600 on Wednesday, leading the entire crypto market into a bullish trend. So, what are the factors that pushes the crypto market upwards? We'll find out in today's video. The Fed and stock market. Cryptocurrency prices have tracked closely with the stock market this year. The markets have largely been in a downturn, but have rallied across the US, Europe, and Asia recently, helping crypto to follow suit. The rising stock market in recent days and a general calming of macroeconomic fears among investors will lift cryptocurrency prices. Investors are beginning to feel more optimistic about the economy, inflation, and rising interest rates, which is a positive sign for risky assets. Typically, the more confident investors feel about the stock market and the broader macroeconomic environment, the more risk they are willing to take on. The market's current view is that the Fed may be less aggressive in hiking the interest rates in the fall, probably around 75 basis points, and then moving back to 50 basis points or even 25 basis points. The market suspects that the Fed may become increasingly concerned about recessionary risks and either hold rates steady or make small movements in December and into early 2023.
I'm nervous, Max. I'll admit it. I'm nervous, okay? I'll admit it. I'm nervous. All right?
The Ethereum upgrade. Another likely trigger for the upturn in fortunes is the impending technology upgrade for Ethereum, which has now been scheduled for September. Ethereum's transition journey from proof of work to proof of stake could take up to years, as it began with the launch of the Beacon chain in December 2020 and has seen several delays along the way. The conference call saw core Ethereum developer propose September 19 as the tentative target date for the merger. The proposed target date didn't face any objection from other core developers. So later, Ethereum developer superfins.eth tweeted about the roadmap to the merger and also cleared that the proposed target date should be seen as a roadmap rather than a hard deadline. So which means that the target date isn't really confirmed. So a little bit history about Ethereum's upgrade. So their transition journey from proof of work to proof of stake began on December 1st, 2020 with the launch of the new chain, which is Beacon chain. The initiating phase is phase 0, and then phase 1 of the program was scheduled to launch in mid-2021, but it got delayed to the first quarter of 2022 because some unfinished work and complexities involved. So earlier June this year, Sepolia testnet Beacon chain went live to give Ethereum network developers valuable technical insights. The Sepolia was eventually merged with the network on July 7th. The final trial of the merge is set to occur on the Growly network, which is scheduled for the second week of August. After its merger, the official merge slated for the second half of September would become a priority for developers. Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake based network is expected to reduce its energy consumption by 99%, and the introduction of sharding, which is expected to be in the first quarter of 2023, would make the network highly scalable and on par with centralized payment processes. Ethereum price jumped by 12.5% immediately after the developer tweeted that launch. This upgrade is known as the merge. It is significant for the entire crypto industry because Ethereum is the blockchain that hosts major Web3 infrastructure, including NFTs and gaming assets. The market may have bottomed. The market may have finished suffering the fallout from multiple recent setbacks, including the collapse of Terra's Luna stablecoin and the Celsius landing site. After investors have been bombarded by negative news about the crypto market again and again, people started to become sort of immune to the negative news. In the latest bankruptcy filings of Three Arrows Capital and Voyager Digital, the market didn't move too much and instead, more trading activities have resumed. Crypto pessimism is showing some signs of exhaustion, and when you combine that with a pullback in the dollar and improving appetite for risky assets, Bitcoin is starting to look like it might have found a bottom. From the technical analysis perspective, I previously have tweeted that the market is at the tipping point of turning bullish or bearish. As you can see in the chart, it has slowly developing a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish signal. If Bitcoin at that point of time is not able to break through the $21,000 price point, the whole market will continue to dip even further. But luckily, the trend is with us and Bitcoin now has rallied on to more than $22,000. So, what are your thoughts on the crypto market? Are we heading to a bullish trend or the bear market is still lurking in the shadows to strike us again? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you guys soon. Goodbye.